Shara Maningkim, and welcome to our group discussion on the role of social media on the corporate social responsibility. Together with my groupmate, Ms. Panganiban Rachel and Ms. Rona D. Yamsin. So let's talk first, corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility, CSR, refers to a company commitment to operate officially and sustainably. It encompasses efforts that grow society and the environment, such as environmental protection, employee well-being, and community building. CSR cover a broad range of activities including environmental protection includes reducing pollution, protecting natural resources, and limiting climate change. Employee well-being, offering equitable compensation and benefits, safe working condition, and chances for professional growth. Communities development involve investing in local communities, promoting education and job training and volunteering. Ethical business practices include following all legal laws and regulation, avoiding corruption, and upholding human rights. Social media. Social media is a powerful tool that can help companies to communicate their CSR initiative and engage with stakeholders. It can be used to share information about CSR initiative and engage with stakeholders. Share information about CSR initiative. Social media can be used to raise awareness of company CSR initiative and the impact they are having. This can help to build trust and credibility with stakeholders. Engage with stakeholders. Social media can be used to engage with stakeholders in a meaningful way. This can help to build relationship and encourage participation in CSR initiatives.
One of the impact of social media on corporate social responsibilities are the measure the impact of CSR initiatives. Social media can be used to track the impact of CSR initiatives and identify areas for improvement. So by measuring CSR, companies can identify areas of strength and areas that need improvement, enabling them to enhance their CSR strategies. Also, by using social media effectively, companies can enhance their CSR efforts and makes a positive impact on the world. Also, it holds companies accountable for their actions and commitments towards social environmental issues. Here are the few tips for using social media for CSR. Be authentic. Be genuine in your commitment to CSR. Don't use social media to greenwash or make false claims about your CSR efforts. Be specific. Share specific information about your CSR initiative, such as the goals you are trying to achieve and the impact of you are trying to achieve. Corporate social responsibilities. Programs with goals like environmental sustainability, community development, and ethical business practices. Impact can vary widely from reducing carbon emissions to support education and healthcare in underserved communities. For specific, it's best to look at individual companies' reports or websites for detailed information on their CSR initiatives, goals, and impacts. Be engaging. Use visual storytelling to make your CSR initiatives more engaging and interesting. Imagine a bustling city skyline where every building tells a story of corporate social responsibility and social impact. Picture one tower adorned with solar panel gleaming under the sun, powering not just its operations but also nearby homes. That's just one piece of our CSR puzzle. Be consistent. Share updates about your CSR initiatives on a regular basis. Consistency is key in demonstrating our commitment to CSR. We ensure regular updates through various channels like social media, newsletters, and our website. From quarterly reports detailing our progress to real-time updates on initiatives and events, we strive to keep our community informed and engaged in our CSR journey. By staying transparent and proactive in sharing our impact, we aim to inspire others and foster a culture of social responsibility that extends far beyond our organization. By following these tips, you can use social media to communicate your CSR initiatives effectively and make positive impact on the world.
And now let's move on in importance of social media in corporate social responsibility, in which enhance transparency and accessibility. Transparency, accountability, and reliability have become universally recognized key operational principles for the good governance in public administration. In effect, transparency and access to information are essential to components of rights-based social protection system. To effectively guarantee transparency, information should be available, accessible, and disseminated among the population. In particular, transparency and access to information are crucial, ensuring access and participation, and can contribute to reducing or preventing corruption, clientelism, and efficiency. Transparency thus goes hand in hand in accountability. If rights holders are unaware of government rules and indeed are not able to observe the implementation of social protection programs in accordance with those rules, their ability to recognize violation and voice objections will be constrained. Furthermore, lack of transparency may impede the dissemination of information about results and undermine public support for continued and or increased investments in protection programs. Transparency must be a fundamental element of all aspects of social protection programs, including selection methods, eligibility criteria, benefit levels, and complaint and redress mechanisms. Transparency and access to information are essential components of rights-based social protection system. In particular, they are crucial in ensuring access and participation and can contribute to reducing, preventing corruption, clientelism, and efficiency. Next is the stakeholders' engagement and feedback. Executing a project successfully requires that all participants in the effort, from the project team to sponsors to end users, work together. Everyone needs to have a common set of expectations and moving toward a common set of goals. The feedback loop is an integral part of building and maintaining an alignment, from a project's inception through its completion. Unfortunately, teams are often busy with project tasks that soliciting, evaluating feedback become lower priorities. If that sounds familiar, consider these 4 big reasons stakeholder feedback is important to your team. When stakeholders take the time to provide feedback, it is important that you derive as much value from their insight as possible. Reviewing incoming comments, questions, and suggestions as a group is a good way to begin and help maintain strong engagement and commitment to improvement within the core project team. Including your project management, services partner in the feedback loop is also a great way to ensure that stakeholders' input is utilized effectively. An experienced consultancy will be able to evaluate incoming feedback through an objective lens, helping you identify workable and efficient resolutions to any problems that have been highlighted. Their neutral perspective can also be useful in identifying ways to enhance your existing practices and process to address concerns, improve communication, and fill any skill gaps. The next one is storytelling and impact measurement. Storytelling has a palpable connection with memory, and there is literally a method of memorization known as the story method, which is used in everything from Alzheimer's patients to college students studying for tests. Needless to say, storytelling has a pretty big impact on us historically, culturally, and psychologically. We've been telling stories since the dawn of time. It is just the method's tool has constantly evolved. In this ADHD generation, everyone's short on time, and marketers and business owners alike have to learn to tell story in micro moments. And last but not the least, the collaboration and partnerships. 2 heads are better than 1, right? That's the idea behind the social media collaborations. When brands team up with the other brands and influencers to reach new audiences, it can be a win for everyone. But to ensure your collaboration is a success, you should you should consider some key things before jumping in. Below is a step-by-step guide to help you pull off the perfect social media collaboration. Social media collaboration is when two or more brands team up to create content shared on their respective social media channels. This could include sponsored posts, giveaways, or other content that leverage each other's audience. Social media collaborations can grow your reach and engagement, build brand awareness, create valuable partnerships, and drive sales. They are also a great way to foster relationships with other brands and expand your customer base. That is all. Thank you.